Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, I will be presenting about VARK. It is a dashboard of students in which learning profiles are based on VARK. It is a decision support system for subject teachers. Next is this. Okay, the currently classrooms has been facing a lot of problems. These problems are included right here. So first, subject teachers have limited information. Sorry. First, subject teachers have limited information regarding students' learning preferences. Teaching strategies are often generalized despite students having diverse learning styles. And then thirdly, student data are collected by the guidance counseling unit and is rarely transformed into practical teaching resources. The potential role of guidance and counseling unit in supporting academic achievement remains underutilized. As a result, teachers find it actually difficult to implement differentiated instructions very effectively. Okay, now it's for objectives. We have five main objectives actually. The first is to identify student learning preferences using VARK inventory. And second, to develop an interactive learning profile dashboard. And third, support differentiated teaching strategies. And fourth, it is to strengthen the collaboration between UBK and subject teachers. And then fifth, most importantly of all, improve student engagement and learning outcomes. Furthermore, here are the innovations actually. Okay, first of all, what is VARK dashboard? Here are the innovations in the VARK dashboard actually. It has a class learning style analysis, a school-wide statistic, teaching suggestions, student profiles, and easy access. It also is a cloud-based service, meaning you can access it to impromptu through anywhere and any device. Here is the main dashboard of VARK. Okay, here is the section for GBK, aka counseling teachers, and teachers to see analysis of each classroom and overall students, teachers, and parents included. Okay, next is the data screening. It is sectioned by categories actually. So first is visual people and auditory, and then kinesthetic, and then reading. A total of 302 students so far has answered the learning style screening. Here's the dashboard, the statistics for it also. And then these are the example of data findings for from the fourth grade science students who answered displayed along with VARK's tendencies. And then here is the example of class 4 science students. Provides the names of the class and then each student's findings. Each are displayed in detail on the student's learning style and tendencies. As you can see, this provides a deeper uh, learning, personalized learning for them. Up next is the innovation flow. So it's split into six: students, VARK questionnaire, data analysis, dashboard, and then teachers, and then finally differentiated teachings. And then the methodology is very simple. It has 6 steps. First, students must complete the VARK inventory. Second, responses are analyzed, and then the responses will be converted into a dashboard developed using Canva AI. And then step 4, the dashboard is shared with teachers, and then teachers will then implement differentiated instructions based on the dashboards developed. Next step 6 is to collect the feedback for continuous improvement, basically learning from one's mistakes and thus having a almost flawless system. And then here are the unique features provided to the eVARK. First, data visualization, support, decision support, and then user-friendly interface. And then the cost of it is practically free. It's a free digital platform. And then the real-time access. It can be accessed to anywhere and anytime you want, provided you have the internet. Okay? And then there are 3 bodies that are impacted by this system. The 3 bodies are teachers, students, and guidance counseling units. Okay, first of all, teachers have gonna have a better understanding of students and making it easier to plan lessons and improve differentiated instructions. Okay, and then students in turn actually have higher engagement, better learning experiences, and also have more motivation to learn, um, better than the previous ones actually. And then finally, guidance counseling unit. They will have a stronger strategic role, and then evidence-based interventions will be provide will be the most important thing. And next is sustainability. Okay, no additional hardware is required, and then free software, and then it's easy to maintain, and it has a minimal. I said it, minimal operational cost. And then scalability, it can reach to different classes, different schools, and even district levels. Okay, state levels and national implementation. Actually, it can be nationally implemented to improve students. Okay, why is it actually innovative? Because traditional methods are often flawed, and also the raw data, when it is even provided, it won't be used. And it's also difficult to interpret, actually. Pretty much leaving teachers awestruck and what to do. Okay, but with our eVARK dashboard, we can improve on these things. Okay, we will provide a visual dashboard and actionable information, and then teaching recommendations be provided to the teachers to improve them, and then driven decision making. Okay, meaning we will use the raw data for our students. And overall, I would like to say the VARK dashboard can transform educational data into something actually meaningful and insights that empower teachers to implement different instructions effectively. This innovation can continue strengthens the role of school guidance counseling unit while prompting student-centered learning and evidence-based decision making, also holistic educational development. Thank you. Okay. Thank you. And then remember, empowering teachers through data, enhancing students through personalized learning. Okay. And then together, if we implement this together, we will actually build a smarter future for our children. With that being said, thank you for watching this.